Welcome back to the channel, fellow food trippers. It's past lunchtime and our tummies are growling while traversing the streets of Quezon City. We accidentally found Tokiniku BBQ Grill and Seafood Huts located at number 6, Anonas Street, Barangay Quirino, Project 3, near the corner of Aurora Boulevard. Tokiniku is home of the unlimited grill for only 599 pesos. If you love beef, pork, chicken, seafood, sides, and bottomless drinks, as we do, this is the perfect feast for you. Let's see what's on their menu and dig in. We start with the beef. Tender, flavorful, and perfect for grilling. They offer 4 kinds. Premium tin cut, Donbori, teriyaki beef, and spicy Japanese beef for heat lovers. Next, the pork selection of juicy and well-seasoned pork. We get pork belly tin cut, enoki mushrooms wrapped in pork, teriyaki pork, salt and pepper pork, and spicy Japanese pork for that kick. For chicken lovers, Tokiniku keeps it simple but tasty. They have chicken teriyaki and spicy Japanese chicken. Of course, the feast doesn't end with meat. Their side dishes and seafood options have everything even more satisfying. Their menu includes ebi tempura, but sadly, it's not available when we dine in. Instead, we enjoyed freshly grilled scallops and side dishes of creamy Japanese potato salad, sweet spicy tofu, creamy buttered corn, spicy fish cake, refreshing cucumber salad, spicy kimchi, 2 kinds of flavorful maki rolls, lettuce, steamed rice, and comforting egg drop soup. For the dips, you can choose from their spicy red paste or the classic salt and pepper with sesame oil, and the creamy melted cheese, and milky eggs, which are perfect pairings for your grilled meats. And of course, unlimited dining isn't complete without drinks. Diners can get red iced tea and a choice of pineapple or our native gulaman drink. All unlimited for only 599 pesos. Diners can also enjoy unlimited beer for an additional 200 pesos. For the seafood lover, Tokiniku also offers the unlimited seafood platter for only 749 net, with blue crab, mud crab, shrimp, mussels, clams, sweet corn, potato marble, garlic rice, and refreshing drinks of red tea and pineapple juice. For the ones with a big appetite and craving for both the grilled and seafood favorites, you can avail of their unlimited grill and seafood platter combo for only 799 pesos. Tokiniku BBQ Grill and Seafood Huts gave us an incredible unlimited grill experience with premium meat in portions good enough for sharing. Be sure to cook and order what you can finish before ordering your next batch of grilling meats because of their strict no leftover policy. Leftovers are priced at 1 peso per gram. So if you're looking for value for money and flavor in one place, Tokiniku is a must-try. They can accommodate small and big gatherings up to 120 packs. For table reservations and dining inquiries, call 0920 27 62 849 and 0915-107-7852. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food trips. See you on our next vlog.